Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The 12 major Hakka festivals of 2010 kick off with the Zizi Festival in Kaohsiung County's Meinong Township. A good reason to visit is the food. One very special local dish is Meinong pork knuckle. Cooked with rice wine, soy sauce, crystal sugar, and garlic, the result is a delightfully tasty combination. Everyone is encouraged to experience traditional Hakka events and food.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And when Leo is in town, is on the air with Joseph, that means we're gonna eat. 我们两个在的时候就是这样子。
对呀，
感觉我们两个应该一起去运动才好。
运动，
我越来越胖了，你不觉得吗？
那是你啦，我是没有啦。
对啊，你是到底怎么做得到的啊？你都一直害人，一直介绍好吃的东西，
对，引诱你犯罪，对不对？
浓厚吃的东西啊，害我一直增加我的重量。那今天还有什么可以让我增肥的食物呢？
好，今天我们到南部去，我们介绍米农猪脚。
米农猪脚，杀了我吧！你要介绍猪脚哦？
是啊
no, 我好喜欢猪脚。I love the pig's knuckle and in Meinong, which is in Kaohsiung, they're famous for their pig's knuckle. All right, 这个猪脚怎么讲？再讲一次。
猪脚。
Okay, that's the pig's knuckle in Meinong. 我们来跟大家讲一下这个到底里面都会用什么样的材料？完全
是用米酒啊去腥味，还有 tell you
of course，
就是酱油，这一定要的，还有便当
加个便当进去吗？
不是啦，
猪脚便当不是哦，
不是是冰糖
冰糖。So here in Taiwan and in Meinong, the way they prepare their pig's knuckle, they actually add a couple of key ingredients. One is the rice wine, 刚刚讲的是米酒，蜜酒。Tell you, okay, that's soy sauce, and you have to have some crystal sugar in it too, 也就是冰糖。便当 okay, it's not 便当哦。好 and finally, it's the crystal sugar, which gives it that sweet taste in it, and it's so different from other pig's knuckle around the world. You should try it out when you go down to Kaohsiung. Again, this is found in the township of Meinong. 美浓猪脚，我们再讲一次，教大家。
米浓猪脚。
When you go down there, yell out for that, okay? 下次呢，真的要吃到美浓的猪脚。
是吗？你在跟我说吗？
对，
你在暗示我吗？
你常到南部吗？
我没有
吗 ？OK， 好，
没办法。
那下次我带来给你吃。
是啊，真的好，太感谢了。
对，要让你胖，不要我胖。That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.